apartment complex HVAC heaven. We got a couple units. First is a Goodman. You can see it's just a pretty standard Goodman of the time. Let's try to get to the date. It's a 2013, and then we got another Goodman right next to it, which is from, I think, 2002. So those are the two units which I've seen so far. We're just gonna take a walk around to see if there's any more. So these units only serve the public areas. We have another Goodman serving the basketball court. It's a 2001, I think. Is there even a Goodman logo on it? Nope. And then we have a Goodman serving the office, powered by Copeland Scroll. So it is a 2013, and this is the other basketball unit, a Guardian. It has a Gentech fan motor this time. It's a 2013, and then right next to it is a Goodman Desert Series unit, exposed wiring. That's not good. And it's from 2000. This is an old boy, a very old one indeed. And this Goodman's being overgrown by poison ivy. That's also not good. So those are the accompanying units that are paired with the ones at the other building here. We're just gonna slowly bike around, see if there's anything I've missed. So we have a ton of Goodman Desert Series units of various sizes. I'm just gonna get a good picture. And I think these are all like from definitely 2000 in that era, and like as well as the pre-current Goodmans. They all have A.O. Smith fan motors. I think those are like 2001s as well. And these are definitely Goodmans from the year 2000 as well. And is there anything else over here? We're just gonna take a look around. And nope, there are no more air conditioners. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, watch, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.